Welcome then to Cape Coast in Ghana. It's a decision night in qualifying Group G for the 20.
iBafana ingene kulo mdlalo eqhokele phezulu ku Group G ngamaphuzu ali-13 futhi beyazi kahle ukuthi idinga ukudlala ngokulingana nje kuphela ukuze idlulele phambili. Kepha ipenalty enikezwe iGhana ngendlela engaqondakali ngomzuzu wama-32 ishabalalise amathemba eBafana.
Match officials have decided the game, which is not what is supposed to happen. So we as the association, we have decided that we will be writing to both CAF and FIFA first to investigate how the game was handled, and secondly to also challenge some of these decisions. So we have agreed that as we did last night, we have already registered with the match commissioner that we will be writing a formal complaint.
Ize iBafana yehlulwe ngalendlela umqeqeshi wayo uHugo Bruce uthi uculisekile ngokudlala kwaleli qembu eligcine liqoqe amaphuzu ali-13 kule midlalo. iBafana kanye neGhana baqede belingana ngamaphuzu kepha iBlack Stars idlulele phambili ngenxa yokushaya amagoli ayisikhombisa uma kuqhathaniswa nayisithupha eBafana.
First of all, I congratulate Ghana for the qualification for the next round, but at the other side I have to congratulate my team also because we played a very difficult game in very difficult circumstances. We played against an opponent who was very aggressive, and that the referee allowed them to play like that. He allowed it less for us. So it was difficult for us to have a good result here today. But again, when you see what we did in the last 3 months, I'm very proud about my team.
Well, he holds the ball up by the corner flag and the referee blows the final whistle.
iGhana isiyingxenye yamazwe amahlanu ase-Afrika asedlulele emzuliswaneni wokugcina wokuhlungela indebe yomhlaba. Amazwe ali-10 azobhekana kulo mzuliswano ekhaya kanye nasekuhambeni ukuze kugcine kuphume amazwe amahlanu azomela iAfrika eQatar ngonyaka ozayo.